At What the Block, we run workshops to make blockchain more human, by making learning about blockchain fun and simple. To do this, we designed and created a game to teach blockchain, using Lego to learn through play. The game unfolds over 4 rounds. In the first round, participants trade using tokens and Lego blocks to start playing with a blockchain. In round 2, facilitators stimulate the game. The teams start to play with the concept of mining. And we add a little touch of magic. Round 3 is all about the future of value. Teams begin imagining future concepts for value using our design process to ideate and test rapidly. In round 4 it's smart contracts, which means rules and playful economies. Facilitators add scenarios, and participants trade using blockchain in increasingly complex systems. The workshop teaches participants to learn by doing. And most of all, it brings design, blockchain and people together in an immersive and fun way.